Today we're going to make a rubric using the rubric maker Cameron Brown made on Excel. When you save the Excel file in your email to your network folder, you'll open it like you would open any other file, and this is what you'll see. These are all the indicators and the elements and the levels of expectation that you'd see on the paper rubrics. So if we scroll down, you see the critical thinking, the reading, the creativity, media literacy, writing, collaboration, and these are all the rubrics that you would have on your papers. And you'll see the numbers here. These are the order that they appear in each rubric. So if we're looking at collaboration, collaboration 1, peer relations, is the first thing at the top of that rubric. And to make a rubric, what we do is, you'll notice right here the rubrics tab, which is what we're on. But if I go to the composite rubric tab and click, you'll see a blank rubric. When you click on it, it might have things already in there, but I went through and deleted them. I left the application of the Common Core and Teacher's Choice. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to make a rubric using what we have here. But first I want to show you the assignment that I would make a rubric for. So this is an example of an activity board I'm using with my AP US History class this week, looking at the causes of the Civil War. So if we were doing this activity here, identifying key words in the text that the author uses to analyze his point of view on Lincoln, I can have the students do this, but I want to create a rubric to show that they're meeting it. So it's going to have some reading. Maybe I want to have them do it in pairs in order to bring out some of that collaboration piece of that rubric. So I'm going to go back to the Excel file to show you how you could make a rubric for this assignment. So I'm on the composite rubric tab. I want to go back to the rubrics tab. So I'm looking here, I mentioned that I want to do some collaboration in pairs. So I'm looking at peer relations. It's going to be in pairs, so maybe not. But certainly sharing ideas. I want the small groups or the teams to be able to share ideas. So I have collaboration 2. So I go to the composite rubric, click there, type in collaboration 2, and then it automatically fills in the entire element. So all you need to know is the name and number of what you're doing. So then if I go back to rubrics, and I want them to be able to, within the reading, pick out the key words. So I'm going to scroll up to reading, and I have identifies the main idea, analyzes the text. I want them to analyze the text. I want them to analyze the author's point of view. So I've got reading 2. I go back to composite, type in reading 2, and there I have a quick rubric, and you could add in elements if you wish. There are actually spots for 8 rubrics. I found that 3 print on 1 page, and that's how you make a rubric. After your rubric's made, you go up to the home, or click here, and you print, and then you have it. I hope that this helps. You use the rubrics in an efficient and effective manner, and see me if you have any questions. Thank you.